Hello everyone, hopefully you are doing well. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and I am your host Gill. So today I am sharing with you a unique and ancient homemade remedy for hair care which is prepared with very potent ingredients. So let's get started our magical hair oil and food of our hairs without any delay. Our base ingredient is mustard oil. Many types of oils are available for hair in our nearby stores. Mustard oil is the best among them for its qualities that address our diverse hair problems. If we talk about benefits of mustard oil is rich in vitamin B complex, vitamin E, vitamin A, calcium, and protein. Mustard oil is a natural conditioner. Mustard oil boosts the scalp blood circulation and promotes hair growth. Let's decode the benefits of onion for hair growth. Onion improves hair growth. Onion also nourishing hair follicle. Its high amount of sulfur minimize breakage. Its antioxidant properties reserve premature graying. Its antibacterial properties keep scalp healthy. Ancient South Indian secret for fast hair growth is fenugreek. Yes, our next ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek has been used to treat hair fall for ages in India from ages. This miraculous spice not only boosts hair growth but also arrests hair fall, repairs supplicants and improves the texture of hairs. Let's talk about garlic. Raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C content that is great for promoting hair health. It's also boosts collagen production that helps stimulate hair growth. Let's talk about our next ingredient which is plumpy and in gel form. Yes, you are right. Aloe vera gel. The top benefits of aloe vera gel is moisturizing the scalp, stimulate hair growth, smooth scalp irritation, balancing oil production, repair damage, define curls. And the pro tip is use raw aloe vera gel directly from the leaf for best result or look for 100% pure aloe vera products. The ingredient used for wild hair growth is ginger. Ginger has been used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for countries to treat hair loss and promote growth. Ginger helps boost hair circulation, speed up hair growth, fight dandruff and itchy scalp, reduce hair shedding, make hair soft and shiny. Let's talk about our next ingredient, little black seeds, which is called kalwanji in Urdu or Hindi, and in English we said black sesame seeds. Sesame seeds also promote hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, hydrate and conditioning the scalp, combat dandruff and dryness, enhance natural shine and softness, and prevent premature graying. And our next ingredient is black tea. Its antioxidant, amino acidic, and caffeine properties very important for hair growth. Promote enhance hair color, support hair growth, and promote shiny hair. Our other ingredient is Bohemia leaves, which is not famous as neem or other hibiscus hair care. It still offers some traditional and herbal benefits, promote hair growth, reduce hair fall, improve scalp health, and add some shine. After knowing the all characteristics of the ingredients, now we add all the ingredients into the oil and cook it on the low flame until the properties of all the ingredients are absorbed in the oil and everything turns brown. Then cool it and strain it into a container. The miraculous oil is ready. Apply it at night before going to bed and wash it off in the morning. It is best for making falling, thinning, graying, and dull hair long, thick, and shiny. You will see clear result after a month. I hope you will like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Take care till the next video. See you soon.